Lesson 32 Asking how to get to your destination. Japanese theme is 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか? It means how can I get to the ninja museum? First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
マイク似合うね。かっこいい。
嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
さあ、行こ
う。Next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
マイク似合うね。かっこいい。
嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
さあ、行こ
う。Okay then, let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Please repeat after me. 似合う。かっこいい。Okay, so let's check the example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. マイク似合うね。かっこいい。Good. It means you look good, Mike. You are handsome. かっこいい。Okay, next one. 嬉しい。すみません。忍者。博物館。どう行く。Okay, he said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか? Good. It means, well, how do I get to the ninja museum? 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか? doesn't have any specific meaning. It's like, excuse me or something like that. The purpose is to pay others' attention. すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか? Like that. Okay, next one. この道まっすぐ左あるOkay, please repeat after me. この道をまっすぐ行けば左にありますよ。Good. It means just go straight down this road and you'll be on your left. Okay. この道をまっすぐ行けば左にありますよ。Okay, next one. わかる。ありがとうございます。Okay, he said, Here, please repeat after me. わかりました。ありがとうございます。Good. It means, okay, I got it. Thank you very much. わかりました。ありがとうございます。Next one. さあ。Here, please repeat after me. さあ、行きましょう。Good. It means, now, let's go. Okay, so these are vocabularies. Let's move on to the next skit section. In this skit section, let's read whole sentence together. You can improve your Japanese pronunciation, and you also can understand how to read the Japanese sentence. Anyway, let's get this started. Please repeat after me. マイク似合うね。かっこいい。嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。わかりました。ありがとうございます。さあ行こう。Okay, great. Let's check the key phrase. Okay, so today's grammar is about asking how to get to your destination. Example sentences. 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？ It means, how can I get to the ninja museum? To ask how to get to your destination, say, destination までどう行ったらいいですか？行ったら is the verb 行く or to go in the conditional form. In this case, though, just memorize the phrase as a question. Destination までどう行ったらいいですか？ That's the grammar. So let's make the example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. 東京タワーまでどう行ったらいいですか？ Good. It means, how can I get to Tokyo Tower? Okay, so let's make another example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. 渋谷までどう行ったらいいですか？ Good. How can I get to Shibuya? Okay, and one more example sentence. Please repeat after me. 富士山までどう行ったらいいですか？ Good. It means, how can I get to Mount Fuji? Anyway, the grammar is just the destination までどう行ったらいいですか? It means, how can I get to the destination? For example, when you come to Japan, you can ask the people, how can I get to blah blah? So, you can understand how to get to your destination or like something sightseeing spots. That's a very useful phrase, so please memorize it. Anyway, let's check the short dialogue, which include a key phrase we studied. Okay, please repeat after me. すみません。金閣寺までどう行ったらいいですか？101番のバスに乗ってください。Good. The guy asked like, 金閣寺までどう行ったらいいですか? The destination is 金閣寺, so you can ask like that. How can I get to 金閣寺 temple? And the man answered like, 101番のバスに乗ってください. Please get on bus number 11. Yeah, like that. You can understand how to get to your destination. Let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Number 1, excuse me, how can I get to this hotel? Okay, so this hotel is このホテル and the grammar is destination までどう行ったらいいですか? So, answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。このホテルまでどう行ったらいいですか? Okay, great. Let's move on to the number 2. Excuse me, how can I get to the platform for the Shinkansen blood train? Okay, it's the Shinkansen no home. So, the answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。新幹線のホームまでどう行ったらいいですか? Good. It means, excuse me, how can I get to the platform for the Shinkansen blood train? Okay, next one. Number 3. Excuse me, how can I get to this store? And this store is この店. So, answer is here. Please repeat after me. すみません。この店までどう行ったらいいですか? Good. How can I get to this store? この店までどう行ったらいいですか? Okay, that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, step up section is about directions. Okay, please repeat after me. 右、左、まっすぐ、曲がる. For example, like when you ride on a taxi in Japan, you can say like that. Here. Please repeat after me. まっすぐ行ってください. Good. It means please go straight. And next one. Here, please repeat after me. 次の信号を右に曲がってください. Good. It means at the next traffic light, turn right. 次の信号を右に曲がってください. Or you can say like 次の信号を左に曲がってください. So 左 means left. So turn left at the next traffic light. Okay. So まっすぐ、右、左. Yeah. And 曲がる means turn right or turn left. Okay. So that's the basic expression, you know. So we finished most of the activities. So let's move on to let's review today's lesson. In the skit section, please focus on understanding the whole story in Japanese. And what's more, let's check the culture and the trip tip section as well. Anyway, let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
マイク似合うね。かっこいい。
嬉しいな。すみません。忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
この道をまっすぐ行ってください。博物館は左にあります。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
さあ、行こう。
I want to wear a ninja outfit.
You can rent one at a shop near the Ninja Museum.
Today we'll learn how to ask for directions. Mike said, 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか? Say the name of the place you want to go to, then までどう行ったらいいですか?
動物園までどう行ったらいいですか？
ここをまっすぐ行ったらいいですよ。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
すみません。出口までどう行ったらいいですか？
あそこ右に曲がるとありますよ。
ありがとうございます。
Asking for directions is essential when traveling.
As long as you know how to ask, just a gesture may be enough for an answer.
Let's work on the pronunciation. 忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？忍者博物館までどう行ったらいいですか？
Trick tip! Ueno is one of Tokyo's liveliest neighborhoods. North of the train station is Ueno Park. The park includes a zoo, museums, and other attractions. Back down near the station, you'll find the Ameyoko shopping street. It has fresh food, clothing, and much, much more. Today's kanji. You go to a zoo to see them. 動物 meaning animals.
When you see kanji, have some fun and check the meaning and pronunciation. That's easy Japanese. 頑張って!
Okay, that's it. That's lesson 32, asking how to get to your destination. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.